Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from RR Consultancy Services, your go-to destination for simple, practical tutorials designed to make your digital tasks easier and more efficient. In today's video, we're going to learn how to change the background of your slides, both in Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Let's start with Microsoft PowerPoint. Open your PowerPoint file and select the slide where you want to change the background. Now, right-click on any empty area of the slide and click on Format Background. A panel will appear on the right-hand side. Here, you'll see several options: Solid Fill, Gradient Fill, Picture or Texture Fill, and Pattern Fill. As an example, for a solid color, just pick your preferred shade such as blue here. Once your background is set, you can choose Apply to All at the bottom of the panel if you want the same background across the entire presentation. Otherwise, it will apply only to the selected slide. Close the panel when you're done, and just like that, you've customized your slide background. Now, let's look at Google Slides. Open your presentation in Google Slides and click on the slide you want to modify. Then go to the top menu and click Background. A small window will pop up with three main options: Color, Image, and Reset. To use a solid color, click Color and pick from the palette. To add an image as a background, click Choose Image. You can upload from your computer, use your Google Drive, or search directly from the web, which is a handy feature. Once the image is selected, click Done, and the image will set as the background. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to RR Consultancy Services for more practical tech tutorials and digital productivity tips. Have a question or want us to cover another tool or trick? Drop it in the comments, we're here to help.